So, coff.ee.com is basically an online store that markets products with a polished presentation and attractive offers. But before placing an order, there are a few things I'd want to check carefully. The biggest question is whether the actual products match the photos and descriptions on the website. With lesser-known stores, quality, shipping times, sizing, and customer service can sometimes be very different from what the marketing suggests. I'd also look closely at the return and refund policy. If you're ordering internationally, returning something you don't want can potentially be more complicated or expensive than expected. So, is coff.ee.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't trust the website purely because it looks professional. Check independent reviews, company information, payment protection, and shipping details before buying. Overall, I'd approach coff.ee.com with some caution. The marketing might look convincing, but it's worth doing a little research before handing over your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.